Assalamualaikum. My name is Not Amisa Idayu binti Razali. My number matric is A20A1600. I would like to present about the company information. Our name company is Army Boutiques. The owner is Not Amisa Idayu binti Razali. The address company is PT 354 Lembah Sirih 15050 Kota Baru, Kelantan. Type of business is furniture Sedian Berhad. Date of establishment is 1 January 2021. This is the employees profile that we can see the 10 employees with same regular hours in 1 month and different department, different hourly rate, also regular pay. For example, we can see the Aman Rossi with department is general manager, regular hours in 1 month is 208 hours, hourly rate is RM12 and regular pay is RM2496.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Arfan Nasran bin Armando Bayubay. Okay, today I want to explain about we business conclusion payroll of a tempe. As we know, we see of a tempe, Alfian Yami 240, next Aurel Mutia 254, Wan Kurniawan 192, Wong Seng 88 ringgit of a tempe, then Rashid Diman and Yusuf Yafiq get 240 of a tempe. This is conclusion about overtime pay. For example, Alfian Yami, overtime rate multiplication overtime hours work, then 18 ringgit multiplication 0.5 overtime rate multiplication 6 hours, total is 240. Okay, then how to conclusion about commission. Commission rate 2% from the sales totals, then total sales multiplication commission rate. Okay, this is piecework earning. Per unit is 8 ringgit. Okay, how to conclusion gross, first thing is gross pay Aurel Mutia. Number of unit multiplication rate of units. 27 multiplication 8 total Aurel Mutia 216. This is we report payroll report. Okay. Prepare by as the table to the date 25 March 2020 and ending date 31 March 2022. Okay, total gross pay all these stuff is 19 ringgit 19,127. Okay.
Is Munisana binti Mana Binti. I will explain about the report of Army Boutique. The first formula is regular pay. Regular pay equals hourly rate multiplication regular whole. For example, Arman Nasi. 12 multiplication 218 house equals 2,496. The second formula is overtime pay. Overtime rate multiplication overtime whole work. For example, if employee name Afyan Yami, 2 10 multiplication 4.0 multiplication 6 hours equals 240. The next formula is commission. Commission equals total sale multiplication commission rate. For example, is Bobby Mark 2,800 2,889 X multiplication 0.10 equals 100 X.90. Bobby Mark has managed to sell Army Russia online with a total sale of 2,000 889.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Intan Akila binti Muhammad Yusuf and my metric number is A20A2221. I will present to you about question 2A. The amount from our own money is Rn 14,000. So there is no interest rate, time period, interest amount and future value. Net is loan from relative is Rm 12,000. Interest rate is 3.5% and time period is 20 months. To find out the interest amount, we need to use formula I equal to PRT. We get the interest amount Rm 700. For the future value, we need to use a formula S equal P bracket 1 plus RT bracket. We get 12,700. Afterward, the amount of bank ABC is 16,000. Interest rate is 5.5% compound semi-annually and time period is 6 years. For the future value, we use formula S equal P bracket 1 plus I bracket power of n. To find I, we need to use formula K per m and we get 0.0275. To find n, we use formula MT and we get 12. Then we substitute it and get future value is Rm 22,156 and 54 cents. After that, we calculate the interest amount with formula I equal S minus P and we get 6,156 and 54 cents. For the question 2B, this is the promissory notes for the loan from relative. The amount is Rm 12,000 with interest rate is 3.5% per annum of 20 months. That's all from me. Thank you.
My name is Nur Aishazwani binti Swaleh. My metric number is A20A1662. I will present my part, which is question 3. First question 3A. Army Beauty has 6 machines, which each has PC set and cost of PC in the real market price is Rm 2,200. Sewing machine is Rm 1,300. Cutting machine is Rm 1,095. Panasonic mini bar freezer is Rm 399. Printer is Rm 649. And for the last, electronic cash register is 540. Next question. Based on the fixed cost of machinery, Army Boutique choose HP PC set and depreciation schedule for 6 years using the declining balance method. The sale-based value of SP is Rm 208 cents. We use 3 formula for this depreciation. The first formula to search annual rate depreciation is R equal 1 minus SP divided C in the root of n. Second formula to search accumulated depreciation is DA equals C minus C, open bracket 1 minus R close bracket to the power of n. Third formula we use to search book value at the end of year is BV equals C open bracket 1 minus R close bracket to the power of n. In the table show the answer result using each formula in a 6 years annual rate of depreciation is 0.3294%. The annual depreciation is Rm 98.28. Next, the accumulated depreciation is Rm 1,999.992 and the book value at the end of year is Rm 200.08. Question 3C1 Roman. Army Boutique received an invoice for machinery cost on 8 August 2021 within 10 days from 1 August 2021 and supplier A gave a discount of 3%. So we have to pay Rm 9,103 and 85 to supplier A. Question 3C to Roman. The payment for 13 August 2021 is Rm 9,391 and 34 because it is 12 days from 1 to 13 August 2021.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Fazrul. My number matrix is A20A1472. Now I want to discuss about the amount payment and amortization schedule. This is a formula of amount payment. Now go to the calculate of the monthly payment of Army Beauty Company. For total of P is 12,000 and total I is 0.005 and for the N is 12. And so after the calculate follow the format amount monthly payment. So the total monthly payment for Army Boutique is Rm 1032.80. Therefore the Army Boutique company need to pay Rm 1032.80 as monthly payment. And go to amortization schedule. This is structure of amortization schedule. Month beginning is our RM 12,000, and for the period is 12, and interest rate is 0.005. Monthly payment is RM 1032.80. And this formula for ending balance, interest paid, and principal paid. Go to amortization schedule. In schedule is show the beginning balance, ending balance, monthly payment, total paid, principal paid, total principal paid, interest paid, and total interest paid. And in the first period, total for the beginning balance is 12,000, and for the ending balance, beginning balance minus principal paid is 11027.2, and monthly payment is 1032.80, and total paid is same monthly payment, and principal paid, monthly payment minus is interest paid, so the total of principal paid is 972.8, and total principal paid is same, and the interest paid, beginning balance equal to 0.005, so the total interest paid is 60. After the calculate of the period, and total for the last period for the beginning is 1027.66, and for the ending balance is 0, and monthly payment is 1032.80, and total paid is same for the monthly payment. Principal paid is 1027.66, and for the total principal same for the same for the principal paid, and for the interest paid is 5.14, and same for the total interest paid.